Well, hello everyone. My name is Mark Ozzie Bell, and you are watching Arizona Tourist. And today I am here at the Pavilion'S Rock and Roll Car Show, and I had to get this on video. This is a Lamborghini. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. I mean, that is one beautiful looking car right there. Yep. There you go, right there, Lamborghini. Sweet. Boy, and I bet that thing is fast too. Here's another Lamborghini, actually, but a newer one, kind of like a crossover type Lamborghini, yeah. And here we have a Porsche. Okay. Down here we have Corvettes. A whole world of Corvettes. Over here we have a couple Mustangs. Another Mustang here. Here's the sign here. Rock and Roll Car Show. And here we got Corvettes. Lots of Corvettes. 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side. And then you got Mercedes, Camaro, blue Corvette, really nice. Black one, black Corvette. And over here we've got some more Corvettes. Nice black and red one. And red one. White one. Lots of Corvettes. Wow, cool. Look at this one. With the yellow stripes. Then we've got one over here that's multicolor, color changing. Yeah. Oop, and then there's one right behind me there. Just about ran me over. Didn't even hear him. Snuck right behind me. Okay. So there's your Corvettes. Very nice. Wow, this one's brand new. Still got the sticker on it. Look at that Corvette. Brand new one. Very nice. Okay. So this is part 2 of the car show in the Pavilion'S, Scottsdale, Arizona. And here we have the 1977 Trans Am Smokey and Bandit. 14,000 original miles. Sold brand new Cunningham Pontiac. Wow. Cool. Original owner. Cool. And let's see, what did he pay for it? Well, look at there. He paid $7,886. How about that? And I wonder what it's worth now. A lot more than that. Look at that. That is nice. Really nice. Who said you can't make money on cars, right? You know that's worth more than $7,000. Nice. All original, one owner. Very low mileage. Yeah, very nice. Here we have Chevy. Rambler. Another Corvette here. Cool. Another Corvette. Oh, nice. White one here. Like that one. Very cool. With the removable hardtop. Yeah. Here we have Chevy Camaro.
How's the drive up here, cozy?
Oh, yeah.
Camino. White El Camino and white Pontiac Trans Am.
But it's fun. This is a Chevy 3.
Another El Camino. Blue one. That's really nice. Very nice El Camino. 1986 Nissan 300 ZX. Cool. Chevy. Double nickel. 55 Chevy. Cool. Oh, that goes that. There goes that Lamborghini that I had in the beginning of the video, of this video. Another Corvette here, and then you got your Chevy Bronco. Those are always cool. Very nice, nicely restored. Very clean. Another Chevy. Yeah, I love these little Chevy Broncos. Those are great little trucks. 4-wheel drive. One of the original SUVs right there. Okay, Pontiac GTO. Very nice. And this is Pontiac.
He's in. I'm just busy.
Nice. Oh, 2009 Pontiac. Cool. Very cool. GTO. Blue. And I believe this is going to be your black Le Mans. The black one here is the Pontiac Le Mans. So these are all your Pontiacs. Got his little tiger there. And then another GTO. Nice. And moving on down the line here. Mustang. Nice sound of Mustang there. Sounds really good. Oh, black GTO. That was nice. Very nice. Trans Am with the eagle on top. And Firebird. Red Firebird.
So how long did you stick around over at Meekum
Cool.
on the last day? Oh, you just
Another Pontiac.
no, wait till you get your throttle position set.
Convertible. And Bonneville. There's Bonneville. Yeah. Chevy Bonneville.
Tell Bill about Jack Swigs.
1961 Pontiac. And then in the very end here we got the Pontiac Catalina. Very nice. Okay, guys. Well, watch part 1 if you haven't seen it. This is part 2 because there's a lot of cars here today. So I split it into 2 different vehicles. And I think we've pretty much seen everything that is here right now. There'll probably be some more coming in, some more leaving. And that's it for this one. So thanks for watching, and you're watching Arizona Tourist. And don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will see you all in the next video. And there's that Mustang we just heard a minute ago. He's gonna go ahead and park it because he just got here. Okay. He's gonna pull around this way. Got a nice Chevy here. Copper Chevy. Copper colored Chevy. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's gonna back in. That's a nice, wow, that is a nice sounding Mustang right there. Woo! Sounds good.